Yeah, hello guys, hello technician, hello mechanician, hello engineer, hello mechanical engineering student. Welcome back to our channel. Today you are going to learn about engine party. But before word, afterwards make sure if you make subscribe for following next lessons. Subscribe, comment, like and share. So without wasting time, let's start learning about engine party. Firstly, before we learn engine part, you have to understand what is engine. An engine is the heart of your car. It is a complex machine built to convert heat from burning gas into the force that turns the road wheels in order to get the movement of the vehicle. It converts heat from burning gas into the force that turns the road wheels. Here the engine helps to convert burning gas into the force in order to get the movement of the vehicle. That is an engine. That is why a machine is called internal combustion engine. The mixture burns, expands, providing power to the driver car. That is something called an engine. Without an engine, there is no value of the car. So, without wasting time, let's continue about engine party. Here, that is an engine assembled, but that all is not the engine party. Is the engine? We have three parts of the engine. Others is related of the party. Is related about an engine. Here we have three parts. The first we have cylinder head. Secondly, cylinder block or engine block. Third, we have oil sump or oil pan. That is three parts of an engine. Firstly, cylinder head. Secondly, engine block. Thirdly is the oil pan or oil sump. That is three parts of an engine. Others maybe distributor, exhaust manifold, intake manifold is other part related about an engine. So today we're going to talk about three parts of engine. Here, let's continue. Here, that is the name of all the parts you have to see in the previous page. You don't have time to explain it, but today we are going to learn about cylinder head, cylinder block, on engine oil pan. So, here, cylinder head. What is the cylinder head? Cylinder head, placed above the cylinder, is where it is located, above the cylinder, and consists of platforms containing parts of the combustion chamber and the location of valves and spark plug. Where you have to locate, if you want to see the valves or spark plug, you have to check on cylinder head, is where it's located. That is cylinder head. Cylinder head trip to containing with spark plugs, valves, and the other parts, but not too much. The main component you have to contain is valves and spark plug. That is called cylinder head. What is the function of cylinder head? Cylinder head, they are key to controlling airflow in and out of the cylinders and the fuel deployment. The cylinder head also holds the injection on here to the injection on diesel engine and valves, and contains more moving part than any other part of an engine. Although largely unannounced, and this cylinder head plays a key role in your engine. Here the function of cylinder head is to controlling airflow in and out in the cylinders and the fuel deployment. That is some function of cylinder head. You have to be careful in this point. You have to know the function of cylinder head and their component, and the component you have to hold in or to contain is spark plug and valves, and it helps to control airflow in and out in the cylinders. You have to know that things on a cylinder head. Let's continue. Here we have engine block. That is the second part of an engine. Purpose of engine block is to support a component of engine. Additionally, the engine block transfers heat from friction to the atmosphere and the engine coolant. The material selected for engine block is either grey cast iron or low aluminium and the alloys. This is not necessary. And another thing, it helps to support a component of an engine. The components it helps to support is firstly piston, connecting rods, in the crankshaft. That is some component they said here. It helps to support the component of an engine: piston, connecting rod, and the crankshaft. That is some component that are combined into the engine block. You have to know it. It's easy to understand. If I have to preparing many lessons about an engine in order to help some people who don't understand many information or more information about an engine. That is some function of engine block. As you see here, it looks like that when you are in the vehicle or it's like that. That is an engine block. Here, these holes you see is the chamber, cylinders. That is cylinders chamber where the piston are located. They are making the movement from top to the center up, down to the center. So let's continue. But we will reach on gasket and the series. That is some other part of the engine. Gasket and the series. Reason why I prepare this note and taking into this smaller piston, these notes. Gasket and the series are some important component in an engine. What is a gasket? A gasket is a mechanical series which fills the space between two or more mating surfaces, generally to prevent linkage from into joining objects while under compression. This gasket helps to prevent linkage. It helps to avoid mixture of water and oil in the combustion chamber. Let me show you on the let's turn previous page and show where the gasket are tightened. Here, this above cylinder is where gasket are tightened. Here we have main three holes, waters and oil. When you put here on a gasket, help to separate three ways: oils, waters, and the air. Is where gasket tips and avoid friction between the cylinder block and the cylinder head. So that is the function of gasket. You see here, that is you have to tighten it between engine block and the cylinder head. Let me show you on the picture where in order to help you to understand very well. As you see, you have to put it above on the cylinder block. After to put this gasket on above the cylinder block, you have to put above again cylinder head. In order to separate cylinder block and cylinder head. You understand? That is called gasket. Let's continue. Thirdly, part of an engine is oil sump. Oil sump is contain the engine oil required for lubrication. It helps to contain the engine oil required for lubrication. Is where oil are stored. So the oil which used in the lubricating system are stored into oil sump. Do you understand this point? It's easy to understand the function of oil sump. The oil is extracted from it by an oil pump and conveyed into the engine block. Oil reducted via to oil filter. The oil coming from oil sump were destroyed. The pump are pumping that oil and continue passing through into oil filter in order to remove some ductiles, hair, some other shit not required on lubricating system. Guys, there's three parts of that is three engine parts. Others you see is related in order to help to make for an engine. So guys, thank you for watching. That is an oil sump as you see here, but that is oil sump figure where the oil are stored. So guys, thank you for watching our lessons. Have to remember to make subscribers, share and comment. Thank you for watching. This was mechanical engineering in the world. Good channel which help you to understand and mechanical engineering step by step. Thank you for watching. I love you.